This is the control panel for the heater and air conditioner system. Press this button to turn the system on. Press the sync button to synchronize all climate control settings using the driver control settings. If a passenger manually adjusts their temperature, they will exit sync mode. Press this button and the system will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature. If fan speed, airflow mode, or defrost settings are manually adjusted, the system will switch from auto mode to your control. Use these dials to manually set the desired temperature for each side of the vehicle. Press this button to select from the available airflow modes. This icon indicates air will flow from the defroster and foot outlets. The arrows indicate whether the center and side vents or the foot outlets are active. Press this button to recirculate air inside your vehicle. This increases AC efficiency and helps to block outside odors. Press this button to draw in fresh outside air, improving your vehicle's defogging performance. Press this button to manually turn the air conditioner on. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents. This does not indicate a malfunction. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press this button. The indicator light on the AC key may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. For windshield de-icing, set the temperature to maximum heat with the fan set to high. Press this button to defrost or defog the rear window and outside mirrors. If not turned off manually, this function will automatically deactivate in a period of time. There is a temperature sensor on top of the dashboard that regulates the automatic heater and air conditioner settings. Please keep this area clear of papers and other materials. To turn the system off, push the On/Off button. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.